Damn, this guy deserves. Kaya sabihin nyo na yung mga ibang jombags sa manood na doon. Hello Riza. Time. Oo po. Lalo na sa part na to. Gusto ko yung ibalik yung yung hello Dave, hello sa amin, yung mulet. Pero hindi sobrang kapal. Gusto ko yung naka lang. Hello Supremo. Hello Miguel. Angas mo like that. Thank you po. Mas maangas ka. Hair color black. Ipa-black ko diba? Hello Joe. Mayroon na gagawin na sa full sorry na phone. Tapon. Joke lang. Tawag dito, may mga cloud storage ngayon na na avail. Yan yung gamit ko ngayon. Kaso laki kang magbabayad ban-ban. Time more red. Totoo ba? Binabala ko ng pa-block. Naka-live si Idol ako. Naka-live ko ako. Sabihan nyo na yung iba na naka-live na ako. Ay, sa mga jombags. Happy anniversary. Related. Sorry di ako nakapag-live kagabi. So, babawi ako ngayon. Half black, half pink. Hindi ko pa masyado pang hanggang sa graduation kanina, loko-loko talaga si El, no? Bakit yung my passion and so on station in the field? Saan yun? Saan field yun? Sana ako sa bilang nakita live pa dyan. Wow, dito ka muna. Happy anniversary, John Vice. Yeah. Kaya ako nag-live ngayon kasi hindi ako nakapag-live kahapon. Nasa playlist ko yung ballad version ng song nyo. Wow! Ballad. May mas ballad pa dun. Napaangas yan. How was your day? It's a tiring day, but it's okay. It's okay. Message mo makikita. Hindi ko pa po alam eh. Hi Earl. Yung sa PMA. Philippine Military Academy. Ano ba kami? PMA. How are you, Joe? Hello, Cha. I'm good. Shout out Aldwin. Shout out. PPMA. Pipa Music Awards. Soy. My bad. Hi, Jom Galing. Thank you po, Evangel. Hello, Miss K. Nakaabot ng live. Mitas ko di kita. Sabat gising ka ba? Maaga pa po ito. Saan nakita Jom? Miss you more po. Kita tayo soon. Hello Laura Marina. Hello Fins. What's up? Ba't ang aga ngayon kasi? Inaantok na ako eh. Pero kailangan ko may live. Yeah. So, inagahan ko na. Dahil kaka-uwi lang din namin. So, medyo pagod pa ako. Kung mamaya pa ako magle-live, hindi ko na kaya. Hi, Echo. Oo nga eh. Hindi, may something na ano eh, iba na nakakapagod. Hello Jasmine Cabrera. Hello Shua. Pre, na-amaze ko jokes mo. Na-amaze mo. Maiba ang galing ng double. Anong maiba ang galing ng double to? Happy anniversary, John Bags. How are you? I'm good. How about you? 12-12 na ba? Ay, wait. Wait. Punta kayo sa hindi po eh. Pa-shoutout po. Shoutout siya eh. Ay, inaano na ako. Guys, sabihan yun na ibang John Bags na naka-live na ako ngayon. Wow. Orderin mo? Wala po. Iwan ko nga. Duwag! Tinawagan na namin sila. Panis. Tatawanan. Pahinga. Ayaw nyo ako mag-live. Grabe naman. Ba't nyo ako pinapapahinga? Hindi ba ako antok? Hindi ba ako antok? Jom. Hello, Binbin. Bakit wala ka order? Wala pa eh. Nagtitipid pa ako ngayon. Titipid pa ako. Wala na akong pera guys. Pagod ka na. Di pa nga. Okay, now I don't understand. Why? Hello, Jom. How are you? I'm good. About you? Isang good luck po sa dialysis nyo bukas. Sana po maging okay kayo. SP later. Cancel tulog dito muna. Tama. Pag nagagalit na eh. It's me, Leo. Oh, hi, Leo. Nice to it. Get a necklace. From Tala. Ay, wala na yung picture namin sa Tala. Ay, pero bili pa rin kayo sa Tala, guys. The best. Paborito ko to. May necklace. Wala, paborito ko nga ito eh. Your outfit looks nice. Oh, thank you. It's my favorite shirt. Dumb question. Have you ever gave back Jeremy's or not yet? But I feel like he's not taking it back. Oh yeah, we haven't seen each other for like years now. Since... Wait, nagkita na ba kami? Yeah, since Dreammaker. Yeah, I feel like since Dreammaker di na kami nagkita masyado. He probably forgot. Yeah, probably forgot those pants. Tsaka di ko na alam kung nasan yung pants na yun. Nakakuha ka ba freebies na pisin nyo kanina sa booth? Ano ba nandito ba yun ito? Guys, di pa kasi ako nagpapalit. Hello! Gusto na yun! Nasa bag ko ata. Yan, naka-live si Kuya ako. Sige. Saan kayo pupunta? Yo. Nakating na daw ng Kuya yung punch. Hindi. Bag reveal. Tala din. Hindi ko alam kung may binibenta ba ng Tala yung bag nila. Parang wala akong nakikita. Parang tayo lang yung meron nun. Sold out na. Ganda na. Ay, umuwi na busy yung job sa akin. Oo. Yun ba yung ano ako? Anong PC yun? Yung ba yung naka-orange top? Your hair looks nice always. Like, always. No, not always, bro. Girl, not always, girl. Hala, ikaw nga kumuha. Nang alin? Ayan, I'm good. Anong nasa iyo? Uy, hindi ako kumuha nun. Ano yung dalawa yung kinuha ko? Yung basta hindi yung Uy, hindi ako kumuha nun. Hindi ako yung kumuha nun. Nakita ko lang. Uy, hindi ako kumuha. Promise. Ang kinuha ko yung dalawa lang. Sabi kasi pwede daw kumuha eh. Hindi ako kumuha nun. Hindi pa ako yung kumuha nun. Bakit? Anong meron dun? Hindi nga ako kumuha nun, promise. Bakit? Anong meron dun? Tsaka bakit ang unti pala ng ano? Ay, nagsumigaw. Hindi ko gets. Binibenta yun ako. Uy ba? Binibenta pa yun. Wow, thank you Hansel sa ice cream. May pang ano na ako. May pang kadena. Kadena na ba? Hindi nga ako yung kumuha lang. Papakita ko sa inyo yung kinuha ko. Baka maniwala. Kayo dalawa lang kinuha ko. Yung free lang. Wait lang Ano apat na lang? Binibenta ba yun? Di ba ito? Wow. Thank you Ansel. Thank you Sai. Hindi nga yun. Hindi nga ako kumuha ng naka-vest. Hindi ako. Ito lang dalawa kinuha ko. Sabi na eh. Ay, ang galing. Yes. New it sa likod. Kaysa mas bagay, nakabanks ba ako? Yung gantong banks or ito? Promise, hindi ko nga kinuha yan. Hindi ko kukunin yun. May ganun ako eh. Reveal muna pa. Ay, bakit ako mag-reveal ng package? Wala naman sa akin yun. Mine nyo na daw to. Mine nyo na daw. Mine, 5K. Ito. Wala. Corny guys. Nag-e-echo. Bakit nag-e-echo? Libre na ko. Tapos papamay na. Guys, business mindset ba? Business, mind. Nakuha ko ng libay, bibenta ko. Nang sobrang laking patong. Ganun mga yung birthday ko na sa 19. Happy birthday, Clay. Sana si mama mo. Joke lang. Mag-second sem pa ba ako? No or no? Ano, magdadab ka? Sige. Dap mo kasi pa. Shoutout Mosh. Naabutan ko siya. Naabutan ko kayo. Pag wala nang Hi Chini. Wait lang, hindi nyo pa nasasagot. Anong mas maganda, banks or ganyan, ganun. So, malakas ka ba, boss? Saan? Saan ba? Nabas na oo nga. Nasagot nyo na ba? Oo nga, pakibalik na yung ano. Kung sino man nakakuha nun. Hindi ako Hindi ako kumuha nun. Kita no. Okay, sige, sabi niya. So, ayaw niya yung ganito. Di wag. Guys, bigyan nyo na kung sino kumuha nung PC ko daw. Bigay mo na lang sa akin. Eto, paano ko bibigay? Kaso, libre lang to sa booth namin. Ako pa talaga pinagabuhan, no? Hi, Unfaith. Tama. May kami. Lagot kayo. Guys, kung sino kumuha ng ng PC ko daw na naka-vest ako na Jam OD4 na lang yung ba't kasi may kumuha noon? Ba't may yun ba yung yung mga nakukuha din sa yung sinesell nyo na binubunot? Yun yung naka-random. Yun? Same lang ngayon bilang ng tawag dito. Same lang yung bilang ng kung ilan. O may doon, may rare. Hi, Amanda. Sige kami. Bakit? Same lang. Ay, wait lang. Ay, kay Ate Jelly baga, di ko alam. Sorry. Di ko alam. Sa amin, sabi ko nga, kami ba? MLD ba na gano'n nun? Di ko alam. Miss JPC yung daw? Totoo ba? Hindi nga ako kumuha na. Kasi mayroon din ako nun. Napabang, yun ba yung piniyama namin lahat? Uy ba? Ang akala ko yung may piniyama kami nun. Tapos, akala namin yun yung mga nabili. Yung pa lang pa nilalagay. Yung pa lang pala yun. Oo nga, iba nga ata. It's midnight for you, right? Yeah, it's midnight. Nabili na yun. Yung ngayon, hindi pa. Oo nga, nabili yung sinayin. Wala nang sign yung ngayon. So, okay na. Medyo, gabi naman sa okay pa. Hindi pa. Tama. Litong-lito na. Ikaw na siya ng, identity. Oo. Okay na. Tao lang. Miss you mo. Hello, Kuya Jom. Hello, Rika. Pet ko naman dito. Ay, ang tawag dito. Pet ko dito. Tsaka dito. Dito si Winston. Hello, Choller. Hello, Choller. Yung busy mo lang talaga, guys. Mamatay man ako, hindi ako kumuha nun. If talaga. Kala ko 3 AM ka pa mag-live yun. Hindi, ngayon na. Baka ibang ano yan ha, iba na naman yan. Baka iba na naman yung, hindi ako yun. Hi Renyong. Isa pa to si ano eh, si Winston eh. Yan, isa yan, yung mga yan. Kuya, with our class session na po, laban namin tomorrow. Good luck, Rika. Sana matalo nyo yung kabilang section. Huwag kayong papatalo. Dapat section pa eh. Hoy, mabait kaya ako si Kim. Tingnan mo, tingnan nyo, nag-aaloan na kayo, nagpapasahan na kayo ngayon. Oh. Eko, maging mabait tayo. Maging mabait po tayo. From Saints ko. Wow. Hello from UE. Ang ganda ng school nyo ah. Yung Saints ko. Galing nyo at tingnan nyo. Hindi pa ako aalis. SM Batanes. Pataan. May SM Batanes ba? Hi Nari. Isa sa pinakabit. Oh, thank you naman. SM Lucena. Saan yung Lucena? Sa Quezon ba yan? Alam, pag mali ako. Quezon ba yung Lucena? Ba't SM Bataan? Di pa, nakapag-SM Bataan na ba kami? Hindi ko din matandaan eh. Sabi na yung Quezon Province eh. Hindi pa, no? Hindi pa. Wish nyo dapat pero di natulog. Ba't ganun ba lang ako dahil? Yeah. Pinatay yung hotspot, diba? Ako po pinatay. Tuloy ako Please, sana mapunta kayo Dior. Oh, magandang brand yan, Dior. Dito ba? Sige. Soon po. Alam ko maunong hindi pa ako maalam. Kuya Wen, hindi niyo sa SM Lucena. Soon lahat ng SM pupuntahan namin guys, para sa inyo. Hanggang madaling araw na, di ba? Madaling araw pa ngayon. Bakit Winston? Manonood ka ba hanggang madaling araw? Punta kayo sa bahay. Anong pong gagawin namin dyan? Manggugulo lang po ma'am yan. Andito, nakauwi na ba kayo ton? Kaya siguro ako hindi na matulog pa manood. Huwag, matulog ka para tumangkad ka. Join mo ako ngayon. Baka may kasama kang ano bawal ano. Ano ba to? Yan, ikaw malaki. Hello.
Sir, pauwi pa lang kami.
Nasasakyan ka ba?
Oo.
Ay, we. Sino kasama mo?
Yung members, siyempre.
Ayos.
Hi guys. Send na kayo ng gifts.
Saan na, bakit? Paano to, hindi balik?
Ha?
Paano to ibalik?
Pwede. Pipindutin mo lang yung ano mo. Yung...
Ay, we?
Tawag dun?
Hindi nga eh.
Oo, pwede. Pipindutin mo lang.
Ay.
Yung sa'yo. Punta na sa set.
Napan ka, na front camera ko. What? Paano? Wala, di ko na alam.
Pre, punta ka sa ano, sa setting.
Ayun.
Yan.
Diba? Okay guys, ano na? Tatay. Saan kayo galing?
Sa SM.
SM what?
Sa malapit. Dun sa MOA malapit.
SM mo ah?
Oo, malapit.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys sa, ano, sa gifts.
Si Maki daw yun. Ay, paano si Maki? Ingats daw, Ton.
Thank you. Hi, Ate Mads. What's up?
Tigmo ito ng live. Di ko nga alam din kung nagdi-tiktok yun. Nagdi-tiktok yun. Pero,
Kanina pa kayo dumating, Joe?
oo.
Angas, di ka pa nag-ano. Balik.
Kakain ko na. Wait. TMI ko ngayon. Nagpa-deliver ako ng pagkain. Nag-order ako sa sa sasakyan habang pauwi. Kasi hindi ko na-change yung location.
Tapos, anong gagawin namin?
Nasa... Nagkwento nga ako.
Mister, hi ka. Hi ka. Mag-hi ka. Say hi. Sa
Diba?
live yun, nag-join lang ako. Hi ka lang. Hindi naman naka-open yung mic. Ayun.
Wait lang. Patuloy ko. Wait, patuloy ko nasa van kami. Tapos, bored ako. Tapos akala ko, hayahay na ako. Pagka-uwi ko, malapit na dumating order ko. Tinawagan ako ng Gabayda.
Okay.
Sir, nasan po kayo?
Angas.
Sir, nasan po kayo? Sabi ko,
Yes,
Sir, pwede bang paiwan na... Sir, pwede bang paiwan na lang sa... sabi ko, pwede bang paiwan na lang po sa may guard? Ayun. Tanong ng rider. Saan po yung guard? Dito po sa may front entrance. Ba't yung front entrance pa? Opo. Alam nyo kung nasan? Nasa Robinson's Magnolia pala. Mali yung na-pin kong location.
Mali-mali ka naman pala, tapos sisihan mo pa yung driver.
Kasi, ba't sinisi ko ba? Sinisi ko? Basta nagbo-book pa ako sa may Robinson's Magnolia, tas ayun. Uy, pero binigyan ko ng tip si Kuya, hindi ko Oo naman. Dinagdagan ko. Medyo din yan.
Malapit na kami, Jom. Nasa street na kami.
Pakialam ko.
Street na kami. Oo.
Pakialam ko. Joke lang.
Hindi
Ang
miyaw.
tip ko kay Kuya,
Kahit hanggang madaling araw ka mag-live.
tip ko sa'yo, Kahit madaling araw, bakit? Bakit?
Manonood ako.
Sabi niya, lagi daw madaling araw nakikita niya ako. Nagla-live. Ha? Ba't ba? Hindi naman ako lagi nagla-live lagi, di ba? Balik na kayo, Asha, please.
Hindi nagla-live kaya si Jom, pre. Madaling araw.
Winston. Oh, ayan, nawala siya.
Ha?
Nawala siya. Ayan, nakala ko
Ito pa ako, pre. Packet na kami.
Ano?
Packet na kami. Nandito na kami.
Ay, we.
Oo. Salamat po.
Nag-guess.
Okay.
Nag-guess pa yun na iba. Uy, hindi. Baka ibang Jomata yan, ah. Diretso ko daw dito, Ton. Uy lang, makalat yung ano. Okay lang yan. Sige, katok ka daw. Ako daw kakatok sa'yo. Lapit na birthday. Gabi naman, di pa. Huy. Lapit na birthday. Ayoko pa mag-birthday, guys. Ito 21 na ako. Wow, advance happy birthday, Ate Joy. Sana masaya ang birthday mo. Sana ikaw ay may lumpia. At ikaw ay may spaghetti. Ba't ka hindi bago, Marlene? Akala ko, pogi naman! Napaka-pogi!
Pwede ka na umalis, Jom, sa live ko.
Ganyan kayo sa akin. Kala nyo, expose ko kayo ngayon. Expose. Ano yun? Ayun. Age ni Kuya Jom nagiging seryoso. Siya na lang. Ano nagiging seryoso? Malapit na birthday ni Jom sa kalita. Hindi guys, bata pa ako. Guys. Pang matanda. Nag-ano pa lang ako, mag-19. Kaya nga, tumatanda na kami. Tapos, kailangan na namin sumikat. Wala na kami pera. Joke lang. Bata pa ako pero ayaw matawag ng bata. Ay, may ganun. Ganun pa yun. Dami mo nahatak. Nahatak ko ba? Wala pa ako nahatak. Hindi ko po inulam. Pinapa ko lang. Inulam ba yun? Mas masarap siya kainin eh. Gabi may nabigay na protein something. Grabe. Yo, what's up, Horizon Marcus? What's up, bro? Ba't ka nagsasabi? Grabe. Gusto nyo ba akong mag-bulk up? Yung ba binigyan ka. Thank you po sa ng gifts. Horizon Marcus. Horizon. Ayan ulit siya. Nagpapa-face card ulit Guys, face card ang bag niya talaga dito. Ayan Yeah. Feel talaga niya, Feel niya, Di ba? Oo. Hawi-hawi pa yung buhok.
Pwede ka na umalis, Jom, sa live ko.
Ang tagal mo naman tumaas. Asan ka na ba?
Dito sa baba. Nag-usap lang kami.
Ayos. Ang galing niya, no? Ang galing yung bibigay ko sa kuya ko. Ando yun. Hindi, okay nga yun eh. Kasi di na ako pang paano yun. Tingnan nyo, ganun pala talaga yun. Yung gift na yun para talaga sa kuya ko. Sinabi nyo lang na para sa akin. Tapos kunyaring bigay mo na lang sa kuya ko. Grabe, yun pala yung way nyo. Ay, may pang... Yun nga yun. Hindi ko ayaw, sabi ko ang galing parang gusto niyo ba maging mas okay pa yun. Sige kuya, wag mamansin. Sorry na Riga. Yo, what's up Matt? Para may stock ka lang. Pwede, okay na lang. Okay na talaga yan. Paano okay na talaga yan? Anong chika mo, Riga? Song rec, wala akong ma-record yan. Is it lagging? Hi kuya, hello. Kailin Paris. Laglag. Hello, Justin Caparos. May magic ako. Wait lang, kaya ko ba eh? Pa-join live kayo nila kuya. Asan ba siya? Nawala. Ganyan yan. Kaya magic. Bayan. Panis. Nakita nyo ba yung magic? Thank you sa gift, Liana and Lechi. Galing no? Ulit nga. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, nakapangas ako. Magic, boy, magic.
I'm going up.
Magic. Wait, tignan mo muna. Nakabangas ako, di ba?
Saka yung huwag kaya tumingin sa kanya. Sa akin lang.
Oo, di ba ngayon nakaano na? Panis. Pitikin ko. Mas okay yung ganun lang. Hindi yung
Kakatok na tayo
Hindi, to?
sa isang tao na nagdala.
Ganun
Hi guys!
Kasi ganun natin niya nga. Oo, di ba? Nakaganyan lang. What's up, Marcus? Oh, one more. Mas amazing ba pag pinilit? Ayoko!
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Ayoko!
Bakit ka madaling araw eh.
Ayoko!
Magla-live yan ng madaling araw guys. Galing ko ng sapatos ko ah.
Plus, pag may dami ako, nagtatanggalan sa bago.
Hi guys!
O, di ba? O, ito na.
Kapagod yung sketch.
Bakit saan gagaling?
Malapit dun sa Mawa.
Saan nga? Doon eh. Daming malapit sa mga boy.
Basta dun sa gilid. Para siyang tago na mall eh.
Bago lang?
Hindi ko. Medyo matagal.
Baka hindi yun SM.
SM yung pre. SM nga. Birthday kasi ni yung kapatid ni Ate Gary. Yung SM may
Ah.
Tapos,
Parkal to.
Christmas party nila. I think. Daming ng tao eh.
Okay. Malaki ba?
Sobrang laki. Kala ko nga konti lang tao. Tapos pagdating namin dun, what?
Spotify rap reveal daw. Wow, so ngayon po ay may...
Alam niyo ba kung sino yung ano ko?
Anong tawag
Yung
dito?
global artist ko.
Anong tawag dito? May guest ako ngayong araw, Panis. Anong sinong double artist daw?
Si Woods.
Oh, Drowning.
Si Drowning. Oh guys, send na kayo ng ano Send kayo ng gifts. Pag hindi
Grabe.
kayo mag-send, alis na kayo dito. Joke lang po, joke lang.
Yan, na ano yun. Sakit daw sa tainga nung ego. Wait, alisin na kasi natin to.
Ilayo mo kasi yung phone mo. Bakit?
Ay! Live ko to ah!
Ayan.
Ayan.
Okay.
Ay ko. Nagising nga aso ko.
Ganda naman.
Sorry na. Makalat nga ngayon eh.
Hindi, maganda.
Makalat nga.
Ganda kayo sa likod.
Okay, yung likod. Sige, ganito na lang ako pag nag-perform. Ay, gano'n mo.
Oo nga, maganda. Kakang garapata.
So, nalimutan mo na sa kwarto kita, boy.
Help.
Help daw, help. Ano daw?
So,
Ganun to siya ba mapansin ni
it's time to shine para mapansin ni Winston. What's up?
Sino daw bias mo sa Horizon?
Horizon?
Oo.
Wala. Wala.
Wala.
Bakit nagagalingan kasi ako pag mga singer? So, Vinci.
Ah,
Vinci talaga. Pag magaling kumanta-matic. Katulad ng SB19, Crystal. So, bias yun. Pag mga K-pop,
bias daw sa New It.
siyempre yung malapit dito.
Oh, sino ba? Sino ba?
O, yung pink yung hair.
Yeah, tapos, ano pangalan?
Pink yung hair
O,
niya.
nasabi mo na, baka ibahin pa yung ano. Pangalan. Sino?
Pink yung hair niya. Si Jom, siyempre. Yay! Pero
Kala mo
pagkasama
tuloy.
ko si Tad.
Kala mo, di ba? O, pagkasama mo si Joshua.
Ganun yun.
Ah,
Para safe. Ganun.
tama. Para safe.
Pagkasama ko si
Akala daw nila vocals.
Vocal?
Vocals.
Vocals. Ano?
Sige, okay na.
Ano ba sabi mo? Hindi
Ayaw
ko-
mag-explain?
Sabi mo.
Ayaw mag-explain? Okay na yun?
Vocals. Tama, vocalist.
Ano? John, pagod ka na. Kami na muna. Grabe. Ako yung pinapaalis yun sa sarili kong live.
Go away. Ako na lang
Sa
manonood.
sarili kong live.
Guys,
Sige, ikaw sabi mo.
Uy, ang tagal ko nang di nag-live, promise.
Sabi nung...
Ano gagawin ko?
Manood ka ng live. Kasi nanonood din ako ng live mo. Kahit madaling nagla-live. Kahit alas 10 pa lang ng umaga nagla-live ka na.
Tingnan nyo. Alam nila.
Kasalanan to ni Kim.
Si Kim talaga yung nagpasimuno ng lahat.
Okay lang, at least natuwa kami. Si Jom.
Kayo yung natuwa! Kayo!
Si Jom natuwa din siya eh.
Oh, inside joke naging outside. Alam na din nila. Tumawa! Napakasama.
Ayaw mo nun, parang kilala ka ng tao, di ba?
Hindi ako gumigiling guys sa camera. Hindi po ako gumigiling.
Ala, gumigili lang siya sa performance.
Sa performance.
Magagano siya po. Tawag ng partner. Yung rap. Po! Magagano ka. Yung DJ.
Tayo mo. Ikaw nga. Ikaw.
Yung gagano ka. Gaganon ka na. Kasi yung gaganon ka. Yun, basta yung kakaldag siya.
Kakaldag daw.
Sa ano. Pero si Jom talaga bias ko kasi galing na siya. Pero hindi new it. Jom sa...
Saan?
Yung nagla-live ng alas 10.
May John ba na nagla-live sa Alas?
Pretty boy ata
Yeah.
pangalan niya.
Nakinig. So, ano
Guys, tignan nyo guys, binubuli ako ni Jom. Grabe.
Ang, mabente.
Napakabait ko, tapos binubuli lang ako.
Oo, napakabait mo talaga.
Ako nandito.
Good night, Taiga. Ay, bully, Jom. Ako pa yung nabiging bully.
Oh, grabe, physically.
Physical
buti na lang,
touch.
buti na lang ako verbal lang. Pero siya, physically. Nanonontok si Jom.
Eh, baka ano yun ako ng mga fans mo eh.
Oh, talaga, susumbong kita sa fans ko para good.
Lagot na, cancel Jom na. Physical Jom pag
Yay!
physical
Support me.
hosting. Ito, ML. Di po, nag-ML to.
ML tayo, guys!
ML daw kayo! ML daw kayo! ML!
Oy, naglaro kami ngayon nila anti-match, Ben. Oy, sila ako.
Ay, we. Nagdalawa kayo lagi nila to, di ba?
Oo. Nung last ko silang na kalaro lang. Sila,
we.
yung New Days din nakalaro.
Anis.
Kung kasi di ka nag-ML.
Hindi ako nag-ML.
Kasi hindi niya pinapahalagan yung New Days, kaya hindi siya na. Buti pa ako, pinapahalagan ko yung New Days. Kaya nakikipaglaro ako sa kanila.
Yeah. So, ML na ba yung Basyan ngayon?
Oo. Pag di ka marunong mag-ML.
Ay, hindi. Valorant kami niya ako. Kung mahal niyo ang Uid, magbe-Valorant kayo.
Sa naglalaro sa Valorant.
Eh, nagbe-Valorant kami ni Maki.
Oh, kayo lang dalawa. Wala kayong kalaro.
Oh, kayo lang naglalaro ni Tat.
May kalaro kami.
Sino?
New Days.
Hindi nga, dahil nga, mahal nila kayo. O ngayon, mag-Valorant tayo.
Pipilitin mo pa sila maglaro.
Ay, grabe.
Dapat
Grabe.
ikaw yung pumipilit sa kanila.
Oo nga, ako mapilit sa kanila.
I mean, dapat sila pumipilit.
Hindi, wala ko. Tingnan nyo.
Grabe.
Uy! Guys, pagod na po kami
babasagin niya
lahat.
pa yung phone ko, grabe.
Pagod na kami.
Guys, sinuntok niya na ako, babasagin niya pa phone ko. Grabe. Kung kanina nakatanggap ako ng iPhone 17, okay lang.
Ay,
Grabe, may ano dun, pabigay ng iPhone 17. Kaya nga sabi ko, nung sabi
Pala
nila,
pinaslate
nung
mo ako
sabi
eh.
nila, nang nagtatawag na sila ng pangalan, gumagano ako.
paano yun? Paano yun? Sino
Raffle
gusto na?
kasi.
Raffle.
Raffle tapos,
Pala, pinuslit niyo ako
oh,
doon.
may
pa-raffle
pera,
din.
may 17, grabe. Tapos, gumagano.
May 17?
iPhone 17, tapos may malaki pang TV.
Anis.
Sobrang naman. Sayang guys, may wala kami din. Dapat sumali din kami. Kaso nandun lang kami para mag-perform. Grabe, 1 year ko.
Sure.
Grabe ka naman, parang di ka tumira sa Korea.
Hindi ko alam yung mga tawag eh.
Yung junk
Ano yun?
yung para siyang bulalo na maangang.
Ay, yun yung sabi mong masarap.
Oo. Grabe. Guys, maangang kasi siya, kaya yung pag tumatay ako,
Uy!
maangang din. Oo.
Akala ko, akala ko ako na yung pinakawalang sensor dito. Meron din pala.
Walang yun. The more you share, the more the blessing.
Ay, ganun.
Okay.
O, di ba? Yung idol image, o, di ba?
Wala nang ganyan. 2025 na.
2025 na.
Oh, next year, 2026.
Thank you, Sir Jet. Sir Jet. Thank you po.
Tara, ML Horizon Winston. Mag-send muna kayo ng
may
ng
panggulong na ako.
gifts. Oo, pre, kasi...
Ano?
Basta...
Ano?
Enjoy kasi mag-live. Parang, ay, good night. Parang ganun ka lang eh. Oh, dapat you have content, you know?
May content.
Yes.
Paano? Kasi, patulong nga paano? Ikaw niya, mga ano ba yan?
If you know, if that person that talking about you is that the only thing, right? I told you so.
But I think the Swiss Miss and the Green Cross should be Philippines billboard and then the jockey.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought the thing is the thing.
Mm-hmm.
When you think of the Tinkerbell.
Yes.
But the bell is the only thing that you will tap only. But when you
I
close
don't
the
think
door-
so. I don't think so, bro. Because for real, you didn't even see the house rules. Even though the bag is in the inside of the microwave oven, and the toaster is like, yeah, like that, bro.
Oh my god! I
What?
thought so because
Right.
you know when you close the door, it's like you were going outside. But when you get inside, you're closing the door as well, right? So like when you go in, you will go in.
In and out.
Yes, that's why. That's why you know the song.
Mhm. What song?
In or out. That's what it
Okay. Shout out to Sundar Senbilim.
Yes.
Now I get it.
Yes.
I know what you mean.
I told you so.
Yeah.
And also, like, when you think about the people, it's like universal, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, it's like University of the Philippines.
University of the Philippines. Okay, okay. Continue.
I don't know, right?
You don't know?
Because I've been thinking about the university, right? Everything, and like the unicorns.
And the apples and the cherry blossom with the peanut butter mixed with jelly.
Julia is. No.
No, guys.
Stop the laugh.
Stop.
You're not gonna laugh, right?
Huh?
Okay.
I told you so. Okay.
And right now we're just spotting.
Okay, no talking in Filipino, okay?
Okay, yes. Because you know I'm speaking English, you know.
Yeah, ever since you were born, you're like
yes.
spoken in dollar and
Yes. And I feel like when I grew up, I feel like I'm Polish.
I'm told this.
Yes, that's right.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I like your hair. Cause
Really?
yeah, it's like
It's like color pink with a touch of brown and
ooh,
right?
yeah, it's nice.
It's nice, right?
Yeah, it's like flower. Yeah,
Flower.
yeah, flower in the CR. You know that?
Flower in the sea. Oh, interesting.
Yeah. If you don't see that, you don't have eyes.
I like your hair too. It's like
You see, it's like
yeah, I see.
it's dark auburn. You know what's dark auburn?
No, what's dark over?
Dark auburn is
Auburn.
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 Yes.
Auburn.
It's like when you are cooking too much and
Mhm.
then you burn it
You burn it.
too much. It's called dark,
Dark
auburn.
auburn.
Yes.
Auburn.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's why
nice.
it's like auburn, right? It looks like
Yeah,
auburn.
Auburn.
Yes, and when you put it to the oven,
It becomes.
I don't know.
Yeah, nasunog pala. Oh, we can't understand you guys. We're just speaking English right now.
Yes.
You guys should speak English too.
Yes.
When is your word? I don't know because the world is like the surrounding,
Yeah.
and it's like the world is the flattest.
Oh, you're a flat earther.
yes,
you-
because when I
Okay, let's have a debate whether if the earth is flat or the earth is round. Okay, you're the flat earther, I'm the
you're the
round earther. Okay,
Yes.
ikaw muna. You first.
Why are you speaking Tagalog?
Oh, sorry. Oh,
Oh my God, you're so bad.
sorry,
you know?
sorry.
Right?
Okay,
I
okay.
think- You know what? Do you know this? There's a person called
Mhm.
Cruz Krish. Yeah, Cruz Krish. And
Cruz Krish.
yeah, Cruz Krish. He's from other country. I don't know what you call, but he flew away. He flew away to check around if the world is a flat or a round, and he saw like the round. But it's not the round, it's the flat. Yes, the flat. That's why it's called flat Earth. It's not round. But what is your theory about that?
My theory about the Earth.
Yes.
Earth is round because
Of the lollipop.
no,
Oh, I thought because of the lollipop. Because lollipop
because
is
round, right?
Yes.
I don't think so.
Oh.
It's because
of the Julins.
di ako makaisip ng joke, nakakatawa na yung sinasabi mo. Guys, Jolins, yung ano, Jolins. No, the Earth is round because
Yes.
it's round.
I mean, what's your theory? Do you have like, like a Big Bang theory like that? Don't you have like?
No, I don't have like that.
Oh, do you know the microorganism?
Yeah, microorganisms consist of cells that has mitochondria and
The zygote, right? I told you.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
What did you told me? You didn't even told me anything.
I told you like the zygote, right?
Oh yeah, zygote.
Yeah.
Okay.
The zygote is like the round.
The round, is it round?
Yes.
Okay. I trust you, bro. I trust you.
Because it's the zygote is from the atom, right? I told you.
Atom. What atom?
Atom is when you are dark skin. Atom. When you are the atom.
Ah,
Yes,
nice.
when you are dark skin.
Atom.
That's I like it. Yes. Yeah. I told you so.
Feeling ko sinasabi na ako.
Why are you
Joke lang.
speaking
Oh
Tagalog?
yeah. Sorry
You're
guys.
speaking Tagalog again. It's not right. Because you are going to left, right?
Atom is why chromosome between X chromosome. That's
What?
right, Kim. Kim
You
said.
are wrong.
Why, bro? I feel like he's right. I feel like
He's not.
He's better.
She's her. Kim.
Kim. Your member.
No, she's not Kim.
What is she? What is he? He or she?
is she.
She is he.
She.
He?
She.
She
not
me? Huh? Me? Who?
She.
She? No, he is he.
No, she is
He?
not him. She is he. I told you, right?
Eh?
Well, you keep missing around. I was telling you that.
I keep missing around.
Yes, you keep missing around. You know?
Sorry, guys, for
I told you so.
I'm keep missing around, guys.
Joe is like, and you know what? He's not thinking really well. Like the well,
The well
well when you
with
get,
the coin.
yeah, when you throw it,
When you throw the coin and the
Yeah.
coin,
yeah, like that. I told you. It's like it's amazing.
It's
you
amazing.
know? So what are you doing today?
Today or tonight?
Today, not tonight.
Today, oh, what did I do tonight?
Yes.
Today.
It's not what did you do. It's what are
Exactly.
you doing today. Okay, I'm teaching you correct grammar.
Okay.
Okay.
Because my English grammar is
It's
like,
absolutely
Oh,
incorrect.
yeah, it's old version. So
Yes.
teach me your version.
Yeah. What is you doing today?
What is you're doing today? I'm doing live,
Larry,
right? Am I right?
you're right.
See, guys, I'm learning really fast.
I think his grades can become like 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Yes.
Okay.
90 degrees, 0.0, like that. Because right now, like, I think when you go and then you speak
Mhm.
and you like, your grammar is so like, oh, it's so wrong.
So wrong. Right?
Yeah, that's why it sounds like you're 60 degrees, like that.
60.
Yes, you're great. That's why I thought I'm gonna.
Bro, I don't want to be 60 degrees, bro.
That's why I'm gonna teach you right
Oh,
now,
okay,
right?
okay.
I'm telling you, right? So it's like 90 degrees.
It's like
right?
to be 9. Okay, okay.
So I'm gonna teach.
Okay. Teach me
What
more. Teach me more.
what words do you want to say?
I want to say that I love my fans and my family.
Oh,
How do you say it in your grammar?
in my grammar. It's like I love you. Like that.
I love you.
I
Like
love
that.
you.
I love you.
You don't have to say your fans and your family. You just say I love you. Like that.
I love
Because
you.
It's like it's like redundancy. You know what's
Redundancy. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
redundancy.
Okay.
So when you say I love your family, I love your fans, it's like redundancy. So I it was thinking about that.
Okay. Listen, Hajima.
Hajima.
한국 사람.
네가 알아서 온다고요? 그게 무슨 말이야? 당신 누구야?
오팔, 사랑해.
그거 알아?
What?
네가 알아서 온다고요? 그거
It's
알아?
Barbie something, right?
Yes. Barbie. Yeah. 'Cause when you travel around the world, it's like it's very hard. It's like when you walk and then you ride. Like when you ride the train.
The
It's
train.
very hard, right?
You're riding the train here in the Philippines.
Yes, that's right.
What train?
I don't know what to call it. MRT.
Oh, okay.
Yes, MRT. It's so very very hard. It's like so deliciousness like that.
Yeah, so deliciousness.
Yeah, I told you.
This MRT is really, really good.
Yeah, it's so
It's
so hot.
yummy.
Yeah, it's so hot and spicy and everything. When you eat it, it's like wow.
Wow,
It feels like you are in heaven.
nice.
So what's your story about today?
About today, my story is I'm so tired today. I don't know why.
Why? Why are you so tired?
I don't know. I
thought
woke up at like,
I thought you have
8
eaten
a.m..
the food.
but that doesn't mean that I recovered from being tired, right?
I think your grammar is incorrect.
Sorry.
You should say
sorry,
like
teacher.
I ate that already.
I ate that already,
Yes.
and I felt really full.
Mhm.
Right? Is my grammar
Yes, it's
Correct now?
right now. It's a little bit correct.
a little bit?
Yes.
Still improvement.
Yes. Like right now, it's like you are in the 65 degrees.
65, nice. Thank you.
So like you're improving
Mhm.
5% degrees.
5% degrees.
Yes. You wanna go to Japan? Why are you gonna laugh? Why are you gonna
Sorry. Yeah, I want to go to
You know,
Japan. I want to go to Japan.
Because you thought Japan and
Japan. It's different.
never read.
Oh, so where is Japan?
Japan is like in the Europe.
Oh.
Yes. Japan is like
Wow.
it's Europe.
It's Europe.
It's
Okay.
They speak different language.
What language do they speak?
Japan. Japanese.
Japanese.
Yes. Like that.
So is it like
So you wanna go there?
Nimongo?
What?
Kasi Alam, mali na yung joke ko. Hindi niya tumiwala ng Japan.
What?
No joke.
So do you wanna
Yeah,
go
okay.
there? Like you wanna
I'm good. I think I'm gonna go to Japan instead.
Japan?
Yeah, Japan. Because I like Japan, bro. Japan is.
How about Japanese?
I don't think. I don't want to go to Japan. I didn't even know that country exists.
It exists because your calendar is so like old in our country.
It's in the calendar.
Yeah, and our
So there's like a specific time or day
yes.
that
You know what?
like
Because
that's the only day that you can
Yeah.
go to Japan.
you know what? In our country, in
Yeah.
our world, which is the flattened world, it's like it's very updated in advance.
Okay.
But in your round world, it's like it's so old.
So that's why my
So
grammar.
Yeah.
Thinking it's
That's why your
old style.
country is like What?
What? Yeah.
It's not good, right?
It's hey, your country is my country. Hey, my country is your country too.
No.
Why is it not good, bro?
My country is different from yours.
Why? Well, what's the difference between?
Because I'm from the flattened world. You
No,
are from
no.
the
Flattened Philippines. I'm the brown
Philippines.
Earth.
It's a
Philippines.
different world. Bro.
Oh,
It's
what's
like
the difference
multiverse.
here and there?
Just like what I said, we are very advanced. You know.
Damn.
Our technology is very advanced.
Damn.
Yeah, your technology is like it's so low, like 10%.
10%. 10%. Oh, nice, nice.
So you don't have like, stories to tell like that. Because,
Okay.
Yeah. You know,
So what about your country? Like,
it's so beautiful, you know.
oh really?
Yeah, beautiful because the river is like flowing up.
Flowing out, not flowing down.
Yes.
Wow.
Flowing up.
Damn, bro.
I told you.
Okay.
There's so many beautiful things in our world.
Okay.
Your world is so like it's so like kadiri. You know?
Why is it Kadiri? I feel like my world is quite good enough.
No.
Like, it's not that. Some places are Kadiri because it's so many trash. And but I
But
feel like
in our
Yeah.
country and our world, it's not traffic. It's not dirty. Like the people there are very very beautiful. But
Ooh.
yeah, and also the places is so nice. Like the river is flowing up and the rain is flowing up. It's not going.
So
down.
it's the rain is from the ground.
Yes.
How is that even?
That's why some of the peoples there are like looking at each other upside down.
Upside down.
Yes.
So are they like Spider-Man or something?
But in our country we have like superpowers.
Oh really? What
But sad.
what kind of?
I'm not, I don't have superpowers, but
Why?
I'm really, really smart.
Yeah. I knew it, bro. I knew you're very smart. Guys.
See? Because when I go inside,
Mhm.
you see my aura. And you feel
Yeah.
like I'm very smart.
The smartest person in the room
Yeah.
is with us right now.
In the room, we're just two of us, bro. So I'm
Yeah.
But even when I go to your, world,
Mm-hmm.
honestly, I'm very, very smart.
Yeah, I
Smart. And I think you're globe.
I'm also smart too.
Oh, really?
I mean, the same car.
Oh.
The same car, but I'm not smart as you.
But I'm
I feel like you're smart on me, and I'm just smart
unlimited.
3 days.
Oh, smart.
Yeah, you're smart.
I'm really, really unlimited.
Yeah, I feel like you're unlimited.
Yes, and very, very advanced. My thing is like, oh, it's so far away.
Mhm.
Like that. My think, right?
Yeah, your think is so far away.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It's like I can catch everything with my mind
Oh.
because I'm very,
That's
very
cool, that's
smart.
cool.
Yeah,
Mhm.
and I think I can read your mind.
Oh, okay. Can you read my mind right now?
Mm. Ooh. I think you think you're very, very handsome.
Nah, I didn't think that.
Right?
I'm not
I told you
thinking-
so. Because you
Oh yeah, he can read my sound.
See?
Damn.
I'm very smart, guys. So if you wanna know something, if you wanna learn like and a very specific person, like the negativity, you will ask to me like, what is you're gonna move right this, right? Oh shit. I told you.
Okay. That was nice. That was nice.
So are you not gonna eating today?
Do you know? Yeah, guys, you did. What?
You are not listening.
Sorry.
Oh my God.
Sorry. Okay. Oh, what's your question again?
Wait, what are you not? Are you not gonna eating today? Are you not gonna eating today?
I'm done eating today.
What food?
I
What
ate
food do you eat?
King Chow. You know King Chow? Yeah, it's a brand. I don't think I
Is it
should.
like monarchy, king, and a
Yeah,
queen?
yeah.
Oh.
There's like Chow Queen and there's King Chow,
Oh.
and I ate the King Chow because it has.
How about the prince? Do they have
I don't
the
think they
prince?
have a prince because they just got married, so they don't have they don't have a child or children.
Oh.
Yeah.
I see. Okay.
But they have Chow Chow Chow,
Chow. Who's Chow Chow?
the dog.
The dog.
Yeah.
And the dog, you will eat the dog?
No, of course not.
Oh.
It's just the
The name.
name of
dog.
the yeah.
Oh. Because right now I'm very very hungry, right?
Mm-hmm.
And maybe later I'm gonna cook and eat some
Oh, what are you?
vegetables and it's like
Yeah. Oh, I like
Later-
vegetables. I like vegetables too.
yeah. And later I will like woo.
Ooh, oh yeah, because eating time
Yeah.
is really makes us happy, guys.
Yeah. That's why it's like when you think about it, it's very hard because you are very hungry and then you think of something else.
Yeah.
Like the personification of
Yeah.
that person.
Yeah.
It's really, really hard when you think of the food, but
Mm-hmm.
the food is not
Foodie.
fooding.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why it's like, my tummy is so hot.
Oh shoot! Really? Right now?
Later, like
Later.
5 minutes
10
later.
minutes later. Okay.
My tummy hurts.
Come here.
Like that. So really, I'm thinking, and I feel like I'm really, really, like, oh my god, my head hurts.
Oh my god.
Mm-mm. Oh my god, like that. Yeah.
Hajima daw. Pinapatigilala na yan. Yeah, wait.
Yung phone.
At I...
3% daw. 3%.
Wala ko siya yung lobot. Hindi ko
3% please. Maliligo pa ako.
Ano, naliligo ka pala pa?
Oo, syempre nag-hairspray ako eh. Ikaw, di ka kasi naliligo.
Hindi, kasi minsan di talaga naliligo si Winston. Kaya dapat ako, naliligo ka pala.
Uwe, kahit ikaw hindi naliligo.
Ay, naliligo ako. Saan ba tayo eh?
Pre, 2% na lang. So guys, if you have iPhone 17, send it to me.
Hindi yung joke.
Kung yung birthday ko na ngayon pag ayoko.
Ay, ganda lang ba? Grabe talaga mo to.
Oh, birthday daw. Pero kahapon pa yung birthday. Uwe. Dati. Pagod ka na, Ton. Hindi po yung phone ko, pagod na siya, pre. 2% na.
Ako, napagod sa'yo, Ton.
Grabe.
Ay, grabe. Joke lang.
Have you learned something?
Yeah, I learned a lot today. Thank you, Teacher Winston.
So, I think your percentage is like, right now it's like 76%.
76. Oh, nice. That's
It's very-
significant growth
Yes.
from the start.
Yes, it's like very, very up the sky.
Up the sky.
Yeah. 70 degree. Grabe tanto yung birthday ko ngayon. Ang birthday mo. Ay, pre, napindot siya. Why is your keyboard is so noisy?
It's not noisy.
It's so noisy, like, see? It's so noisy.
Ay, wait lang. Okay.
Oh. Yeah, Winston, yeah. 좀 하지 마.
왜요?
왜요? Maliligo pa nga ako eh. Kakain pa ako. Dito si Kyler. Kyler. Uy, sinungaling kayo. Wala dito si Kyler. Mag-ML kami ng mamaya. For sure, tapos na yun maligo man.
Pansinin mo daw si ano?
Sino? Si Lechi. Winston, ano gusto mo food?
Hindi pa sinsanig. Siyempre, ako din.
Pinoy Jungkook yung galing sa Korea. Yun yung gusto ko. Guys, kung ano manap na Pinoy jacket. No mo. Bego payo.
Pego pa.
No mo.
Pego
No mo. Oh, 그래. 저 너무 배고파. 그래서 음식 주세요.
주세요.
Ano ba yung rank mo, Jamilya?
Sikperi hamda.
Sample naman to me. Uy! Kanta pala natin yun!
Ano nga yan?
To me, sana naman again. Sa akin ka na lang. To me.
ako sa hiligo, di ako.
Akas na boses, parang garalgal eh.
Iba na nakita yung puberty.
Angas. Ako gusto ko tumaas yung boses ko.
Ano ba yung sayo na?
Hindi ko na alam.
Di ba may ganun?
Oh, may pa ganun. Mukha nga tayong bulatin. Pansinin nyo. Good is you? It's nothing, bro. Winston. Mag-live ako, so you better come. Right? Because I'm going to teach you how to speak English in the Korean way.
The right way.
In the right way, right?
Not the left way.
Yes, because when you go to the left, you are not right. Yeah.
Tayo.
When ka babalik sa vacation? Di po. Bigyan niyo ko ng tawag ng airplane. Ako papunta nun pa. Jet, mapansin na ako ng isang Winston Pineda. What's up, Jet? Any wishes for Christmas? Money!
Right, money.
Because money, you can buy anything you want. Both may bias. Sinungaling ka. Both may bias.
Kasi kami lang dito ngayon.
Oo, syempre. Alam nga naman si anong bias mo. Kami nandito. Kailan next crochet workshop mo?
Yeah.
Ako din, na-miss ko na yun. Tara, Metal Horizon 1v1 while you're now. Ay. Warrior pa lang din ako eh. Horizon Marcus. I don't think it's Marcus, bro. I think it's just the name there. No, it's not because it's like all caps.
Oh, yo, why speaking English, bro?
Because yeah, I'm an English person and my world. Winston. Yeah. Pansin ni Winston. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go out like around 1:05. Yeah. Cause I'm just gonna remove my makeup and then take a shower and then get eat.
Sleep na muna daw itong live na to.
Sleep ka na. Oo, dyan matulog ka na dyan.
Sige.
Yung ano,
Yung ano?
yung send nila, send mo na lang sa akin. Lechi. Ang ganda ng pangalan ni Lechi. Air Captain Roosevelt London. Di ko nga din alam yun eh. Ano yung Zoomania?
Huh?
Zoomania?
Zootopia?
Ayun, Zootopia. Gusto, napanood mo na yun? Gusto ko rin ni Marcos Mr.
Tungkol ko saan yun?
Zoo.
Awe?
Sa mga hayop. Ano panahon natin to?
El Capitan. Ano yung El Capitan? Sabihin. This El Capitan.
El Capitan, it's like when you type the L in capital way.
Nice. Oh, okay. Now. Thank you for that wonderful information.
Where it's a question, it's not question, bro.
Oh, it's not a question. Right?
You're wrong.
That's not a question.
Hindi, panoorin yung dalawa. Tinin nyo ako bago mag-end live nyo. Christina!
Hello, Christina.
Audrey. Audrey. Tatlong salita para sa'yo.
Eh,
Yes.
marunong ka din pala magtula.
Oo, pre.
Sige,
magaling.
sige, tula.
Isang libo. Sagot. Sumunod mo ito sa nanay mo. Oh. Galing ka, no?
Ang lalim nun pero
Oh,
ang lalim nun. Ano yung inspiration mo sa tula ngayon?
Kasi 1,000, di ba?
Isang tipo.
1,000. Pero yung inspiration ko dun like, sa pera kahit pera yan ng nanay ko, para sa akin yan. Ganun. Tulog ka na daw.
Kaya mo na ba to?
Ay, 6 na, guys. Bye! It's so happy to see you guys in my life and like, when you learn the few things and the people, right? It's like, yeah. So I'm gonna go out, and I will be out, right? Sige.
Abay na. Go na. Pinalis na ako. Bye.
Bye-bye, Ton.
Ay, di ako yun. Bye. Sige. Nice. Boom! Napagod ako. Ay, audio. Ah, 120. Pero ito bibigay ko sa'yo ng ano. Hello. Hello again. Anong meron? My God. Huwag naman sana. Pag ganyan. Wala, hindi ako ko na lang. Pero aalis na rin ako. Babay na. Susunod na. Bye-bye. Nagpapabali na ako, no? Wait, wala pa akong pambili. Bye-bye. Wala pa akong pambili, guys.